good morning. It's Mitushi Verma from class 11th and he's Gaurav from class 9. It's a model of electric train. It represents electric transmission of the train and it represents polarity, positive, negative. It also represents open and closed circuit. The train in ancient times was run by coal, but now by our intelligence and artificial intelligence, the train is run by electricity. It saves us fuel and it also saves it doesn't matter about pollution.
Good morning everyone, I am Khushbu from class 9. I am the student of Vidyashri Academy Senior Secondary School. This is our project and the title is Wastewater Treatment. This sequence describes a basic water filtration where dirty water would firstly pass through a big pebble to catch big debris, then a smaller pebble to catch a smaller particle, and followed by coal which further filter out fine sediment, and finally through a layer of cotton to catch even smaller impurities. Relatively last living at the end we get pure water. We use pure water as poultry farming and agricultural farming, etc. Thank you.
Greetings of the day. I am Vedansh of class 9 from Vidyashri Academy Senior Secondary School. So today I made a project on hydroponic farming. In hydroponic farming, the plants are immersed in a nutrient-rich water so that they can get nutrients directly from the water and not from the soil. This type of farming do not involve any type of soil. आजकल सॉइल क्वालिटी और क्वांटिटी दोनों ही कम होते जा रहे हैं, लैंड भी इजीली अवेलेबल नहीं हो रहा है, तो पीपल आजकल हाइड्रोपोनिक फार्मिंग को अडेप्ट करते जा रहे हैं. स्मॉल बालकनीज, फ्लैट्स की बालकनीज, स्मॉल एरियाज़, अर्बन एरियाज, सिटीज़, रिमोट लोकेशंस एक्सेट्रा पर किचन गार्डनिंग के लिए हम इसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं, जिससे हमें फ्रेश एंड वेजिटेबल्स हमें ईज़िली मिल जाती हैं. इससे हमें प्लांट्स की कोई डिपेंडेंसी नहीं रखनी पड़ती है. इसके हाइड्रोपोनिक फार्मिंग के बेनिफिट्स हैं कि ये रेगुलर ट्रेडिशनल फार्मिंग से 90% लेस वाटर यूज़ करती है. इसमें डिजीज़ कम होती हैं बिकॉज ऑफ एंड नॉट एनी इन्वॉल्वमेंट ऑफ सॉइल. ओवरऑल द हाइड्रोपोनिक फार्मिंग इज़ अ मेथड where the farming is done at the areas where water, soil are limited. Thank you. Now you can see that the water pump is delivering water from the lower tank to the upper tank where the plants are planted, and again the excess water are transferred to the tank, and this flow of water prevents the mosquitoes and other microorganisms to develop in the water. This type of farming is very useful because it uses less water than regular traditional farming. Thank you.
Good morning all of you. My name is Tushar Jorasia. I am a student of a class 7th. Today I am show this project in a farming. There are many types of farming. First, mixed farming. In mixed farming we grow different crops in a same soil like radish and cauliflower. This is a hydroponic farming. In hydroponic farming we grow crops without a soil with water, because we add water in a natural fertilizers. The second is cow shed. In cow shed there are two benefits. First, we sell cow milk, and second, the cow dung is used as a fertilizer. The next is organic farming. In organic farming there is a very expensive farming but is more healthy for our health. The second is rooftop farming. In rooftop farming, when the farmer have no much soil to grow crops, they grow crops in a rooftop. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Nakshita Meena, student of class 11. Today I make this project of Chandrayaan 3 for my science exhibition. Here the lights show the fire. Here the lights show the fire occurs at the time of rocket launching, and the cotton is used to show the smoke occurs at the time of rocket launching. When I will press the injection, the rocket work against the gravitational force and rise up. Let me show you that how it will work. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Sunil and I am the student of class 11 science. Today I am here to present my science project which is based on physics topic known as Pascal's law. This project works on that law. According to that law, if the water inside this syringe is pressurized from it and the water travels through this pipe and will apply the same pressure which you applied here will apply here also. So the piece of cardboard will go down, and if we have to return back to its mean position, then we have to remove the that applied pressure. Then we have to suck the pressure and the fluid. Then it will return back to its mean position. This phenomena is known as Pascal's law. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I am Divya Singh of class 9, student of Vidyashri Academy School. So here is my project, in which here you can see that it's our world map, and these are some names of some countries. So in this project we can identify these countries on this map. Like first, if we go with India, we'll go with this. If it does this or this, it will not go. But if we do this, it will beep. It means this is the right country. But if it is the wrong one, it will not beep. Same goes for this and this. If it does this or this, it will not beep. But if we touch this, it will beep. So by this you can identify these countries on a world map and their right position. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I am Priyanka from class 9 of Vidyashri Academy. This is our folding bridge for science exhibition. As you know, our earth is covered by 70% of water. Previously all the people used ships and boats for their transportation. This is our folding bridge from which big ships and boats can pass out from it. And you know that from normal bridge, big ships and boats cannot pass out from it, and it can pass out from it. You can see that when we press it, the bridge can open and the ships can move forward direction. And it has a time period to open. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Ani from class 7. Today I am excited to present my science project on the model of phenonium day and night.
My name is Ishita Sam. I am from class 7.
Day and night are formed during the earth rotation.
Earth rotation is the movement of earth around its axis.
During the night time it will be a dark.
Day is a period when sunlight falls directly on the earth, and night is a period when sunlight doesn't fall directly on the earth. This works like that.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Abhishek Mali, studying class 6.
Today I make an electronic circuit with the help of a regulator, bulb, wire and electronic board. I adjust the regulator through a wire and I use a regulator to according to dim and full speed. During the daytime the light is very sufficient, so we want to do dim. At night we can do it the full speed is equal to. It will also save our electricity. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Supriya. I am from class 6. Today we make the solar system. To make this solar system we use hammock or balls because the lightweight of balls it supports DC motor. So further we attach the solar system with the help of a power bank and DC motor for circulation of solar system. The solar system is likely a big family while Sun is in the center where 8 planets including like Mercury,
It also small planet.
Venus,
It also known as morning star.
Earth,
It also known as Jupiter planet.
Mars,
It also known as red planet.
Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest and biggest planet of our solar system. Saturn have a beautiful ring around it. Uranus revolves extremely tilt. Neptune is the farthest and coldest planet of our solar system. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Shaguna Jariwal. I am the student of class 7. Today I made a project on solar panel agriculture method. So the materials required are cardboard, colorful sheets, straw, cotton and wire. So now I explain how that works. When the sun rays comes on the solar panel collects the heat and generates electricity from it, and then pump controller shows green light. Then when the electricity is finished in pump controller, the pump controller shows red light. When there is the electricity in the solar panel, through the submersible pump, the underground water comes out in our farm and our farming is done. Thank you.
Good morning to all. Myself Durva and myself Manishka. We are from class 7 and today we have made a project on organic farming. Organic farming is a practice in which crops are grown without any use of chemicals and fertilizers, and organic products are nutritious and good for health and cause no harm to the health. In organic farming, there is a use of waste components like cow dung, dry leaves, soil and earthworms and compost. And nowadays there are many advanced technologies to increase the productivity of land. And this is a cow shelter, and we have grown many vegetables like cauliflower, potato and carrot without any use of chemicals. Thank you.
Good morning all of you. My name is Ritika Sahu. I am a student of class 4th. The name of my school is Vidyashri Academy. Now I present my project of water cycle. It is a river. The water of river evaporates present the sunlight heats. After condensation, the clouds very dark and it does not hold water. Purification is the process of the cloud is oppressed and they start raining. This is a high mountain. It process of the heavy cloud to not go away. It is a grass. It process is the water, the rainwater absorbed in the ground. Thank you.
Good morning. I am Khushbu from class 9. We are studying Vidyashri Academy. This is our project and the title is wastewater treatment. This sequence describes a basic water filtration system where dirty water would first pass through a big pebble to catch big debris, then a smaller pebble to catch a smaller particle, and followed by a cool which further filter out fine sediment, and finally through a layer of cotton to catch even smaller impurities, leaving relatively pure water at the end. We use this pure water for poultry farming, agriculture farming and etc. Let's see that. Thank you.